to show you in this video how we made the bed. These are the wall panels, a part of it. 你好啊，我哋係
講得製之二人，
講得 self-made。
上兩集講到，我哋喺露營車內鋪上咗保溫物料，同埋喺車頂安咗2個窗。之後趁住好天氣，我哋去咗意大利東北部嘅多洛米蒂阿爾卑斯山脈行山。返到嚟就收到通知，我哋自選號碼嘅車牌生效啦。跟住我哋會自製一個非常舒適嘅木製睡眠艙。首先由床架開始。
你好，你好 ，Welcome to 講得姐。I have fixed now the holder for the bed with some screws. I will show this later in details again.
今次就設計咗一個獨特嘅鋸齒形床架，主要係佢嘅承托力較強，同時床褥亦都更容易透氣。然後需要用砂紙將床架磨滑。
So the bed frame getting ready. So we want to have something natural, which also can take a little bit of humidity and breeze. So we choose wood oil for the protection. Zeze is applying it right now. Here is a holder for the bed construction, and you can see the slatted frame. The bed frame is ready, and we need to unpack the mattress as we need to sleep the first night in our camper van. Our bed.
下一步係要做睡眠艙嘅牆板。
These are the wall panels, a part of it. There will be a sliding door later we can open and close the door so we have separation between the kitchen and bathroom.
又到我要幫手打磨木板同埋油上木油。而另一邊廂 SK 德就做緊要嚟放衫嘅層架。
This is our shelf. You can have a look from the back first. So I will put this now in place. It's a little bit heavy, but when it's in place, then it's all safe. Now the second shelf fixed. Here on the bottom we will also cover with the wood. Will be nice.
忙咗咁耐，原來冬天已經嚟咗啦。
Hey guys, now come back here. We made our walls here to have more like a sleeping cabin, which we can also heat and warm up in winter time when it's freezing like now. With sliding doors, I can show you that. They're open, very easy, and then you can enter the sleeping area. So we have the same wall on the other side. Welcome in our sleeping cabin. As I explained before, we have the sliding doors. You can open them, close them as you want. Here now added 2 shelves on the left and right. Install the lights already. We have here 2 air circulation holes to get the CO2 out while we are sleeping. On the walls are still armor flags, but we will also make a panel there. Yay. We want to have a quiet minute by yourself when we are cooking, let the smell not come into the sleeping area, so we are a bit more flexible. Today we will make the solar panels on the top to charge the battery in the van. We hope you like our video. If you have any comment or questions, please leave us a message below. If you like it, please subscribe and follow our channel. Thank you very much. We will place it here. So we are mounting the heating system here. I'm finishing the heating system here under the car.